Ready to go? So are we held up on this?
Oh?
Are we held up on this one?
Yeah, there's a prang on there.
Alright, so I'll just go wait then. But that's the last one I got to do.
No, line up now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Just line up to stay where you are.
You sure? But they won't be able to get out.
Hey?
They won't be able to get out from behind me.
No.
Go behind.
Just move down. Come down more.
I'll go to here?
Just go down alongside.
But I'm behind Reilly, right?
Yeah.
I'm not pushing in.
Better not.
Is Chloe okay?
Yeah, she's all good.
Hey?
She had her arm in a sling. Like, she seemed
Okay.
She was smiling.
Sorry?
She was smiling.
Oh, that's good. The car looks like it needs a bit of work.
A lot.
You hit a tree or?
Dad's got a video.
Oh, wow. Oh, yes. He said the exact same thing. Oh, fine. Were you recording everybody?
Yeah.
Oh. Love your reaction. Oh, shit.
I didn't give a shit about the cars.
No, I know, Chloe.
I'm worried about her.
Yeah, she was giving it to it.
She was having a red hot run too.
By the way, I think one of the signs on this one, it's pointing down. I think it's supposed to go right. I worked out which way to go.
Whereabouts?
Oh, fuck. I know that on the left there's like witches' huts and there was a fire extinguisher. And anyway, there's no really where else to go, but it is.
Oh yeah, this is over the back here.
Yeah. But the sign should be pointing right, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
So I don't know if someone needs to fix that or not. Sorry, I meant to sell.
It's pointing down, is it?
Yeah, it's
pretty.
I mean, look, it cost me a little bit, but not. I worked it out, you know. I've had some good runs this time. I want to at least beat Hayley on a couple of runs. I'm not going to beat her overall. I took Emmy on the recce run.
Oh yeah.
She loved it.
It's a rat bag.
Oh, absolutely. She's telling me how she's going to be doing this next year, and hang on, is that one of like your fit relatives? Jaden, is it? Oh, okay, just the same name.